Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to get QR code on Paxful. To get a QR code on Paxful, open the Paxful application and log into your account first. Once you're in the home page of Paxful, go ahead and click on the wallet button at the bottom. Now, click on the receive button at the top and select the cryptocurrency for which you want to view the QR code for. Select any one cryptocurrency from the list and you will see a QR code next to your wallet address. You can scan the QR code to receive funds or share it with others to receive Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. That is how you can easily get QR code on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.